Hey, what's going on, guys? So this weekend is going to be my first ever charity live stream event, and this video I'm going to let you guys know all the information you need to know ahead of time for that, and I hope you guys will all be able to watch and enjoy the event and hopefully donate to the cause. Now, the title of the event is going to be Modelers Rebuilding Australian Wildlife, and we're going to be raising money for World Wildlife Fund Australia. So 100% of the donations are going to them, and that all goes to helping to rebuild the natural habitats there and helping the wildlife there in Australia that have been suffering from the recent massive bushfires there in Australia. So it's something that I think that we can really help out on. Now, I know that kind of the big thing of the day now currently is the coronavirus, and I actually it was my first thought to do something related to that, but just it's kind of like in the early stages and there's not a lot really set up currently at the moment for raising money to go towards that. So maybe in the future, maybe a month or two down the line, that'd be something that we can look into for another future live stream. But for now, this is something that I think we can all put our money and effort to support this cause as well. So first off, the link to the donation site is down below. It's currently open, so if you want to donate now, even before the event starts, you can do that. It's going to be open until the end of the month, so go there, you can see all the information about this. And also want to be sure to remind you guys that the money is all going to an Australian charity, so the donations and all the prices, all the money numbers that you see on the website is all in Australian dollars, so just a heads up, so those of you maybe in the US or something are getting confused that it's in US dollars. It's all in Australian dollars. You can donate still from the US or whatever, just whether you're donating using your credit card or via PayPal, it will just be transferred to Australian dollars. So the time of this is going to be my time here in Korea. It's Sunday morning at 7 a.m. is when I'm planning on starting. If you're in the US, that's around 6 p.m. Saturday evening there in New York. So if you're wherever else you are in the world, you can sort that out to your own time zone. But in the US, Saturday evening, we're going to be starting and then going into the night. On this side of the world, it's going to be Sunday morning and then going into Sunday afternoon. And so this will be streaming just like my normal stream builds. It's going to be streaming on YouTube, Facebook, and on Twitch. So whichever platform you guys want to watch on. For live reactions, live commenting, Twitch seems to be the fastest, but I'm not going to be doing any sort of like quiz questions this time for the giveaways and stuff. So the speed of your comment reaction time is not really a factor. But if you want to be able to comment really super quickly, like responding to the things that I say, then watching on Twitch is actually the fastest platform for that. And so obviously the main thing that I'm going to be doing is just building the perfect grade, perfect strike Gundam, and that's going to be the main thing that'll probably take up the most time. I'm expecting it to probably take around 7 hours. I'm not sure, give or take, and depending on how much like fun stuff we get into in between, answering your guys' questions and also doing some other stuff. One of the incentives that I set up was an incentive that if you donate $50 or more, then an incentive is that you can request a drawing and whatever you want, within reason, obviously, and I'll draw it on the stream and then sign it, and then I'll get your address from you and then send that to you as just a kind of simple thing that I thought I could do to give back to people, and just something that could be fun if you recommend or if you request drawing something fun. I don't know, what's fun, funny, whatever you come up with. But there is going to be some different milestones along the way as well. A couple of them that I have set up at the moment is choosing a bonus build. So that's actually the first goal, the first milestone along the way. Once we reach that one, then the people who are donating can vote in the poll for which of the 3 options they want for the bonus build. Whichever one wins, once we reach that goal, I'll build that kit as well after the strike is done. So build an extra bonus kit as well to extend the stream out a little bit longer as well there. Another goal is also, another milestone along the way is also choosing the next Trash to Treasure series. So I wanted to give that option to you guys. I know when I finished the Trash to Treasure series on the Tristan, I teased that the next one was going to be the Esculapius Gundam, but I wanted to give you guys the option. I thought this is a good chance to work that in, to give you guys an option whether you want to see that kit or Devil Gundam, which a lot of you guys wanted to see that in my latest review of that kit. And then also a Master Grade option, a Master Grade GPO2 is another option that I'm giving you guys there for choosing the next Trash to Treasure series. So that'll be a goal that you guys will be able to vote for as you donate, and then once we reach that goal, that'll be decided. Another goal will be coloring my hair. It's kind of a goofy thing, but it seemed like when I was checking online, it's a pretty common thing, I guess, that people do for these charity streams, is so you guys, as you're donating, you'll be able to vote for what color to dye my hair. So I'm not going to do that, the actual dyeing on stream. I'll actually go to a salon and get it done. I'm not gonna like try to do it myself and just like make a mess of my room and everything. So you guys will be able to vote and choose the color. I'll go get it done. I have an appointment set up already for the next day, so I'll go in and get it the next day, and then I'll do like probably a follow-up video. I'll do a thank you video for you guys, and you'll be able to see my new hair color that you've chosen for me. So that'll be just something fun to do as well. And so those are just a few examples of things that I have set up currently at the moment for different milestones. But if you guys have any suggestions or ideas, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you think would be something fun or cool, interesting to do as a milestone along the way. So there will also be giveaways along the way, of course, as well. So currently we've got a couple of prizes that have been donated from USA Gundam Store and Hobbyco there in Australia. So USA Gundam Store is donating 2 Master Grade FAS Verka, and Hobbyco in Australia donating a 3rd Master Grade FAS Verka. So we've got 3 Master Grade FAS Verkas to give away at the moment. And in this area also, I want to ask you guys, if any of you also want to donate any kits or anything that you want to give away, just to kind of help along the stream, help along the event, then just get in touch with me. If you like have a couple of kits in your backlog you don't ever think you're gonna get to, and you wouldn't mind donating them to this cause, then just send me a message or get in touch with me, and we'll add that to the list of prizes for this as well. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you maybe prefer doing that instead of donating money directly, that it also helps to just keep people watching, keep people donating, to make sure we get to the certain milestones so that we can do the giveaways and everything, of course. So it all helps. It'd be really appreciated. So any ideas, suggestions you guys have for the events, anything you might want to donate, just feel free to let me know. That's really appreciated. I am also working on a special t-shirt to sell as well, and then all the profits from the t-shirt sales will all also go to the donation. So that is not quite, the design for that is not quite finished yet, and so once that design is finished, should be done within a day or so. I'll post about that on social media so you guys can see what the t-shirt is going to look like. So that should be pretty cool. It'll be like a special limited time t-shirt, only available for, I'll maybe have it up for I guess a week or so, just until the end of the month, until the end of this campaign, and then that way you can see how many were sold and then donate that money to the fund as well. So all of your donations will go through the Tiltify page, which is linked down below. So none of the money will come to me and then I'm donating it for you. All your donations, again, either via a PayPal or credit card, will go just directly through Tiltify to the World Wildlife Fund Australia. So it's very simple, easy. If you guys want to donate, hopefully it should be simple for you to do that. I've been working on kind of dressing up my streaming as well, my streaming platform. If you guys watch my live builds before, it's usually kind of simple what I've got on the screen there, but I'm working on making it a little bit more interesting, a little bit more exciting looking for the live stream. So hopefully it'll be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. Like I have said, I haven't done one of these before. I'm preparing for it a lot. Hopefully nothing will go terribly wrong. It should be a lot of fun, and I'm just looking forward to hanging out and building with you guys, and hopefully raising some money towards a good cause. So if you guys have any other further questions or comments about the stream, again, if you guys have any ideas or suggestions, do let me know. And just thank you all so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to hanging out with you guys this weekend and raising some money for a good cause. So, and again, just thank you to USA Gundam Store and Hobbyco ahead of time as well for supplying a few of the kits there for the prizes. That's really awesome of them to step up and help as well. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.